Hi everybody. So today we are going to discuss about atomic structure. So that means the structure of atom. So in the universe, everything is made up of any type of matter. So matter consists of very small particles. So these small particles are called atoms. So finally we can say the ultimate particle of matter is called atom. So atom is the main building block of the matter. To know about matter is nothing but study of atomic structure. In olden days, atom is said that this is the very smallest particle. It cannot be further broken down. The word atom came from Greek word atomos. So atomos means which is indivisible. That type of particles are called atom. So that means we can say that atom is the very smallest particle, very ultimate particle of matter. So we can say finally atom neither be created nor be destroyed. Smallest indivisible particle of matter is atom. In ancient days, atom cannot be further broken down, they told. But in modern days, atom can be again subdivided, further broken down. So those are nothing but atom is having some particles in it. So those particles are called subatomic particles. The particles which are present in the atom is called subatomic particles. These are also called as fundamental particles of atom. So which subatomic particles are present in the atom? So if you observe, open the atom, it consists of subatomic particles. Those are nothing but electron, proton and neutron. So these three are called subatomic particles of atom. So particles which are present in the atom, those are called subatomic particles. The main subatomic particles of an atom are electron, protons and neutrons. These are the main role in atom. So these are different types of subatomic particles. Some are positive charges, some are negative charges, some are neutral charges. So if you observe electrons are negatively charged subatomic particles of atom. Protons are positively charged subatomic particles of an atom. And neutrons, in the name there is a meaning, that is having neutral charge, that means no charge for neutrons. So electrons are represented with the symbol -1 E0. Protons are represented with the symbol +1 P1. And neutrons are represented with the symbol 0 N1. Here the -1 represents the charge of the electron. Here 0 is represent the mass of the electron. So finally we can say that there is no mass. That means very negligible mass for electrons. But it is having the charge of negative. And here if you observe for protons, here +1 represent the positive charge of the proton and this one represent the mass of the proton. And here if you observe for neutrons there is no charge. That means here we mentioned 0. So 0 represents there is no charge for neutrons. And here 1 is mass for neutron. If you know atom consists of subatomic particles, those are electron, proton, neutrons. Okay, these are all fine. But where these subatomic particles are arranged or included in the atom, what is the position, what is the location of the subatomic particles in the atom? So if you observe, the center of the atom concentrated with very somewhat of heavy mass. So in the total atom, the whole part is hollowness, but the center of the atom concentrated with some mass. So if it is an atom, this total part is empty, but the center of the atom concentrated with the heavy mass. But these all is present. So in this atom, where the electrons are, protons and neutrons are located. So if you observe, this center of the atom is called nucleus. the center of the atom is called nucleus. In this nucleus, there are two more subatomic particles are present in the nucleus. Those are called nucleons. So in the nucleus, there are two more subatomic particles which we discussed before in these three are present in this nucleus are called nucleus. What those are nucleons are nothing but protons and neutrons. Protons and neutrons. So finally we can say that protons and neutrons are commonly called as nucleons. These nucleons are present in the nucleus. This nucleus is concentrated in the center of the atom. So the total mass of an atom is dependent on the center of the atom. So this is on the nucleus. In the nucleus there is the presence of nucleons. Those are nothing but protons and neutrons. Okay, these protons are having positive charge and neutrons are having neutral charge. Then where is the location? Where is the position of the electrons? So these electrons are located in the atom around the nucleus. So around the nucleus, the electrons are revolving around the nucleus. So that means there is no stable position for electrons. These electrons are always moving, always rotating around the nucleus, always revolving around the nucleus. So there is no position, there is no proper position for electrons. But those are all present in the atom. To know about this information, there are so many theories, models, and experiments were done in and scientists. Those will be discussed in forthcoming classes. This is a brief introduction about the atom. So atom, finally we can conclude that atom is the smallest particle of the matter, that means which cannot be further broken or which cannot be subdivided. So it is the ultimate particle. So but in modern atomic theories, atom is subdivided. So in the atom there is the presence of electrons and protons and neutrons. Those are having different charges. Those are placed in different places in the atom. So this is the brief information about atom and its subatomic particles.